Cordial greeting, teacher. Conversación. Jenny, Annie. Jenny. Hello, Miss. How are you? Annie. Very. We are you? Jenny. I'm fine. Annie. What is your name? Jenny. My name is Jenny Fernanda Muñoz. Annie. Are you working? Jenny. I'm fine. Working? Where do you go? Annie. I would to 20 with my husband. Jenny. Tis green. Annie. And this Jenny. Jenny is sleeping at home. Annie. Hi Jenny. I already at breakfast. Jenny. There I've been able to hit out yet. Annie. I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I invite you, Jenny. I am grateful. Taste free. Annie. See you soon, Jenny. Jenny. Okay. Thank Annie. Thank you. Bye bye.